Hello everybody, today I'm going to talk about a subject that is closer to my heart than other things, and things that annoy me on the internet. I live on the ocean here and we get plastic washed up all the time, and the wildlife here gets a problem with plastic bags and plastic cups and thing. Now many pepper or hot chilies, hot peppers guys use 2-cup method plastic cups. I don't use them. I know the bigger guys swear by them, but they all say, oh, we reuse them. I've never seen anyone reusing them. Every time I see these videos, they're brand new cups and they're clipped. They use 2 cups for each seed, and I use normal standard pots that we've had for. All these are all being used 2 or 3 times already. These plastic trays, I have them about 1.5 years, and they're like brand new. They're really tough plastic. So some of them need watering. They're Carolina Reapers there. No need for plastic cups. So I am totally against this double cup method that my friend Kang Star 7-pot guy, he don't use them anymore either. So my friend Rob from 7-pot, he uses trays now instead of using the cups. And next January, in January 20, plastic cups are banned totally in France. 2.1 billion cups were disposed of, plastic cups, in 1 year. 2.1 billion, and only 1% are recycled. So they say these things are recyclable. They're not. They end up on my beach. That's where they end up. So maybe in 1 or 2 years time, the guys that follow Kang Star, fantastic, is a fantastic YouTube channel, and he goes through all the different chilies, but he's still using the plastic cups. So if he's watching, sometimes I think he watches my videos on my old channel, but not on this one. So what are the options? Well, the options are your standard old plastic ones. This has been used 2-3 times. You can see already it's still perfect. It's 4 pesos. This one is 6 pesos. 4 pesos is about 8 US cents. Now the reason I like using these 2 sizes, I don't know what the size, this is a new one. I don't know what the measurement size of it is. Anyway, you can buy these plastic things, and they're about 6 pesos each, maybe 12 cents. This one fits perfectly over this one. It locks onto it, right? And this one goes onto this. Now, so if you wanted to grow, say, 4 chilies in one of these bigger ones, and 2 hot peppers, and this one maybe just 1 of a special seed. These are the options you have. You have clay pots and whatever, but I'm going to stick my neck out, and I'm going to probably get told off for it from some of you because you're using the plastic cups all the time. But I live by the ocean, and I go down onto the beach and we clean the beach, and we get plastic cups, plastic bags, plastic everything. These are reusable. I have never thrown out one of these in the last 6 years that I'm living here in this part here of in the Philippines. I have not thrown out one of these pots. Some of them are very old. Even these black plastic ones, they're real heavy duty. Some of them are 5 years old. So these pots are used time and time again. Environmentally here in the Philippines, people throw things away, plastic stuff. We have banned balloons in our resort. We have banned balloon drops. We have banned lanterns going into the ocean because the fish is in the sea and there's diving all around here, and the plastic pollution is crazy here. And so maybe I know it's not going to happen tomorrow, but maybe you would think about it. Use an alternative. Use plastic plastic pots or clay pots or plastic pots that are reusable, really reusable, ones that you can use 10 times over, right? But it's probably not going to happen this season, but maybe next season. We don't have a season here, but I understand all my friends over in the US they're starting off their stuff at the moment. They're starting off their seeds indoors. It's actually too hot here. I'm finding it really hot. My hot peppers are struggling with the heat, and we don't have seasons here, but it's normally don't get hot till March. Have to shade them, so maybe next season you consider using a reusable pot like you used to use before, the orange coloured ones. There must be around for 3 decades. They're